Elgin Power Solutions delivers factory-built substations to utilities, municipalities, electric cooperatives, renewable and industrial clients across the United States. Their substations reduce total installed cost and improve safety. Factory-built substations lower medium and high-voltage substation complexity and accelerate project schedule. Elgin assembles the structural steel, buswork, insulators, switches, breakers, instrument transformers, grounding, and other equipment in a controlled factory environment and integrates them into fully assembled modules that are plug-and-play in the field. While Elgin is constructing the substation modules at its state-of-the-art West Virginia plant, the site civil activities, including foundations, grounding, and conduits, can be performed at the same time, which provides schedule acceleration. Elgin also has field construction teams capable of turnkey installation and installation supervision and training. Elgin prides itself on providing the highest quality factory-built substation solutions for applications up to 138 kV. Popular applications include utility distribution substations and utility-scale renewable substations. Please reach out to your local Elgin representative for more information.